Hi, Peter Ronan, New York Fashion Times, and we're here again with.
Eliza.
Hi, Eliza. How are you?
Amazing.
How's your swim week been?
So far, so good. I'm just tired.
You've been going since
Since
the
June this
4th.
year, yes.
Oh, so you actually had the previous
Yes, I had
week.
the previous one in Paris, so now this one, so.
So yeah, you're like, I need a vacation.
Honestly, yes, I've had at least 20 shows in the past 3 days, so I need a
Whoa,
break.
that's pretty crazy. So this is another one two-piece set. Retail is about 130. Could we have a turn in this piece? Thank you. And if you don't mind, your Instagram, I forgot to ask that before.
Of course, my Instagram is fnsklz.
Okay. And then it's OneoneSwim for the Insta, OneoneSwimwear.com for the website.
Yes.
And again, thanks for being so patient and joining us.
Thank you so
And,
much.
and thank you for watching. You're watching New York Fashion Times. Thank you.
Thank you.